guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I go shopping for university. It's quite late. I start university literally in a couple of days now. It's Thursday today. I start on Monday, but you know, last minute gang. So yeah, currently in New York, gonna run some errands. I have prepared a list, so yeah, stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and they are so cute. Look at that.
Pay.
Yeah, you can pay now.
Insert cash or select payment type.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
That size, because the large one's too big. Oh, this actually will save me so much. Oh my god, Mom, look what I found. Single duvet, £6. Whoa. It's going straight in my basket. Look what Lorraine found. How much is it? £4. Oh my god, bargain. Stationery. We've just finished shopping at Wilco's. Sorry. Yeah, on our way to Primark right now. What we did was we asked one of the workers if we could leave our shopping there to make it easier for us, because we actually got pillows, duvets, full length mirror, and you don't want to be like dragging that around, and they agreed. Pajamas. Hi people. So I haven't really had a minute to catch like decent footage. So the current situation is that I am in Primark trying on pajamas. So today's outfit of the day. So, oh my god, this is always so zoomed into my face. So our last stop of the day is IKEA, obviously. Alright then. Mom is confident that this is the right level. Mom, remember what happened last time we came to IKEA? We got lost. I need myself some tea towels. These are cute. So we are at the final stop. We're going to the range just to see if they have mattress toppers. That's the one thing that I need. Guys, we've been really struggling with finding a decent mattress topper for a decent price. Like the decent ones that we find are usually like £100 and something, and then the ones that we find for like £25 are like super thin. Like we've been to like 3-4 shops now looking for mattress toppers. They just don't want to be found. Either they're out of stock or they just don't want to be found. I'm stressed because I went to see my bed at Oxford and it's like a spring mattress, super uncomfortable. So yeah. No, these shops are actually taking the mick. Like, it's the first week of what, October, and they're already selling Christmas products. Like, slow down. Like, they've just put out their Halloween like merchandise and now they want to sell Christmas stuff. Get out of here, get out of here. So the range was another epic fail. Didn't leave with anything. So our best bet is going online and ordering a mattress topper from Argos. But yes, so I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because I am utterly tired and When I go home, it is to sleep or to eat, one of the two. Make sure you subscribe if you like this video. And quick update, I am moving to university this Monday. Well, by the time this video goes up, it will be the following Monday. So yes, stay tuned for university vlogs, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. And yeah, see you in the next video.